Join me, Duff.
All right, so
Seat
now
at the table here.
we want to talk about emptiness and a critique of
Yeah.
emptiness.
Critique is, so Soren Kierkegaard talks about different stages of development, and the first stage is the aesthetic, which is living in the beauty of experience, like sensationalist existence. And in that beauty, there's infinite possibility and potential, which I equate with actually some of the beauty of emptiness. The second stage is involving actually cutting out that potential and deciding, and the etymology of decide is to cut off, right? So you must remove possibilities in order to choose one by necessity. And that's a sign of maturity. And so a critique of emptiness actually is that if you live indefinitely in infinite potential and possibility, you're essentially creating an excuse for yourself to be Peter Pan, to never grow up, to never do anything of use and service and utility for the world.
Yeah, and this brings me to this kind of postmodernist perspective that is, everyone has their own unique truth and it's all okay. And emptiness is similar, definitely different in the sense that it is not saying that everyone's truth is objectively ultimately real. It's saying that the truth of reality is emptiness. It is the ground of groundlessness. It's a paradox, but saying, okay, the only thing that's real is that there is no ultimate reality. That, again, this is a paradox, kind of a mindfuck, but that is true. That is real. And you can start to apply, you can start to firmly root emptiness and groundlessness in the ground of solidity. And that's what we're doing, is saying, hey, there is a way that things are. It's not this postmodernist, kind of ridiculous idea that there is no truth. It's Robert Bea said it like this. He's like, some people say there is no truth, so then the worldview, we could hold a worldview that the world is just a pink fish and we're living on the back of it. And I would say, what? You know what I mean? That's ridiculous. There is a way that things are, and that way is that they're utterly, completely empty.
Yep.
So, okay. Yeah.
Experience freedom to some extent with infinite possibility for yourself and your life and the world. At some point, though, if you do not limit yourself with some self-imposed structure to get something done for yourself in the world, you are bypassing your responsibility as a human being to do something of service and substance.
We have to choose to solidify a path for ourselves. We have to choose to solidify a view and a sense of self. And is it malleable? Yes. And will it change? Yes. But at the same time, right here and right now, we have to create some solidity.
We have to.
And from the emptiness perspective, we don't have to view it as objectively real. Right. That's where the freedom is the multi-dimensionality of experience. It's like, yes, I'm experiencing it. It is totally real. This is what I'm experiencing. Duh, no questions. But I can see through appearance. And I see, oh, I'm experiencing this. And at one level, it's real. But at another level, it's not. So again, we're starting to add dimensions to human experience and the potential for consciousness to explore. So this is a quick 1-minute video on a critique by Kierkegaard on emptiness. If you don't pick some path, then you're just going to be floating through life, and it's kind of
never accomplish anything, never do anything, and there doesn't need to be a need to accomplish anything. Just know that you are choosing nothing if you are choosing everything.
Yeah. Amen, brother. All right. Yep.
Nice.
Put it here. Yep. Cool.